It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love lighting in your eyes, and the wonders of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I gave her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I told her, as I turned off the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Young song, Little Chris, Joe Garçon, Roots represent.